Guys, look at this chart here. Does this look like a flat line day? Does this look flat to anybody? I can't even get the entire day. It's a 5 minute chart on the SPY, and I can't even get it in the window here. So how in the world does this look like flat? Tina, calling you out. But
Michael, I
now,
think somebody does this, they compress it like that, and it does look flat. So if you expand it out, you can see the movement in the candles.
yeah, that looks flat, but you can't read it. But if you open it up and look at the time of day zones, if you look at the support and resistance, if you look at the levels that we call out, look at this. This is yesterday's close. That's Friday's close right there. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this pre-market high. Absolutely beautiful. You break the pre-market high, come down. Look at this. What's that called?
Retest.
Retest.
Yep.
Bang. This every yesterday had everything that we talk about in day trading and in the convert the vert and day trading room. I mean, every movement, every time of day zone was hit. So if you look, the first time of day zone on our charts, if you look over here to the right, you'll see zone one. I'll go to yesterday. First time of day zone is in red, right there, which means we look at the market's opening and the first reversal. I'll use thicker and yellow. The first reversal of the day. Look at this. Boom. Kind of got this move right here. And you got the confirmation, right? I mean, this is when the zone starts. Boom. Boom. Pretty accurate. You get another little pullback. Doesn't really give you full signal to the downside. And so when you're looking at this chart, see that this SPX does not have pre-market data. So you're not going to see levels here that exist, which is why you have the 5 minute SPY here to give you that, to give you the levels. You can see coming up right here, yesterday's close. I'm not going to short that. I'm not shorting this to the downside. I'm not saying, okay, that's the 10 o'clock move. It looks like it might be a little bit, but yeah, no. I don't have I don't have all blue dots here. I've got a lot of yellow. That is not bullish. That is sort of in the middle, choppy, and look at the level. That's yesterday's close. I got to definitively get through it. And even if I got through it, look what I got right below. Pre-market low. So the next move is the 10 o'clock reversal right here. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock reversal. This is how we trade. We trade time of day zones. That's the beginning of the zone. That's the end of the zone. And look, boom, boom, like clockwork, right on time. Everything in alignment up for this trade. If you followed the rules in terms of trading this thing to the upside, this is a 2 minute chart. You would have seen reversal candle, confirmation candle right here, moving average cross. It turns green. RSI goes green, and the shift dots turn blue. Now this is the ADSPD, and we knew that that was below zero all morning, but you could have waited, and if you wanted to wait for perfect entry, all blue, boom, 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 there's your little pullback, and there's your trade. Boom. And you trade it right up to level, and look at it. There's your level. There's your trade from here to here, and that's your exit. The level is your exit. Absolutely perfect. If you look here, this is the 1040 reversal. Everything you need right on the chart, all the rules, extreme high of the cycle oscillator, it turns red. RSI goes red. Shift dots turn yellow. Reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross, right down to the level. Bang. That's your next trade. The 11 o'clock time of day zone. I mean, these are all setups for our CTV and CTV plus. I mean, this could not be more of a more textbook day double bottom, go green, momentum, all blue, reversal candle, confirmation, moving average cross, bang, right up here. You also have, if you wanted to take this shift to the downside, right down to the level, bang, out. And then you have the 11:30 shift, which is another one right into lunch. There it is, 11:30, like clockwork. These are called time of day zones. Like, how did I know it was going to? And the time of day zones are written out really clearly. We have them written down, and there's a reason why the markets shift like this at these time of days, and that's what this whole system is written off of. Here you've got an incredible move of, we call it the out of the lunchbox trade. So this is the lunchbox where price does tend to be choppy and chop within a range until it breaks out of the box. That was also perfect trade. You also have the 115 reversal. Here's 115 right here. 115-ish is right around here. Reversal candle, confirmation candle, pullback. How do I know to get out of the trade? Well, you just look over here and you can see pre-market. We actually, I was in the room when we talked about this one. Right there, right to the level. How would you know to get out here? Because you got the level right here. And it's turning, and it's turning. Dots. Next move. I mean, this is almost like every single time of day zone clicked into gear. You got another reversal here, reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross, boom. Wait for the cycle indicator, right there. Wait for the RSI. Look at this, all blue dots. See how it's mishmash here? Wait for them to all go blue. Wait for the RSI to get above the center line. Wait for the cycle indicator to shift and turn green. That's your entry right there. Boom, 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 boom. Great trade. There was a 230 reversal, from what I remember. Yeah, right here. 230 is a time of day zone. Right there. Price is coming up. Oh, that example that I was showing earlier with Rick. Rick, remember I told you there was like a double top scenario kind of thing. Boom, boom. And he took the trade right here, disregarding that. And then, of course, it went this way on him, not following the rules. Reversal, confirmation. Look at this, right at the time of day zone. Reversal, confirmation, moving average cross. Shifts from green to red. Perfect. RSI goes red. Wait for the yellow dots. There they all are, right there. Take the trade. Bang. And where does this go? Again, the pre-market high level. There's a 3 o'clock reversal. That's number 10. It's the last one of the day. Right here. Up, 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 up. Reverse. Hold, reverse. Confirmation. Moving average cross. Goes red. Wait for the yellow dots. Right there. Take the trade. I mean, almost literally almost every single shift was available to do CTV and make money doing CTV, or CTV plus trading SPY or Qs or IWM calls and puts. Calls and puts on CTV plus, or trading SPX verts, doing convert the vert using our workspace. Following the rules and the tools, really insane. It works like magic every day. Look at today. I'll just show today's. 10 o'clock reversal is the first big reversal, right? Look, right on cue. Wicks, reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross of the 3 and the 5. Price gets above it. RSI above the 50%. Wait for all blue dots. All blue dots. Boom. There's the move. Okay. So, Tina, hopefully that answered your question. I don't know if you have CTV or not. Thought you did. But really, this whole thing, demonstration here, was in response to your comment of a flat day. This was yesterday was anything but. Now, if it trades within a range like this, so what? Isn't that what you want as a day trader? Well, it isn't for most, unless you're a member here, because we give you the signals and the rules to get in on the shift, while others are like, okay, it's going down, down, down. All right, let me short this thing. Whoop, and they get their neck broken. Oh, it's going up, it's going up. All right, we just got to the pre-market high. Great, let me buy something here. Let me day trade this up. Whoop, they get their neck broken. They have no idea about these swings. And so they get swung all over the place. But the swings are how I built the system. We trade the shift. Now you can also trade the trend as well, because it works great for that too. Boom, boom. You could trade the trend here, because there are signals to do that too. If it went up like this all day, yeah, we're buying it, buying it, buying it, buying it, buying it. But when it does this all frickin' day, we're looking for the time of day where it lines up and we trade it. And we have perfect exit rules to get us out before it flips the other way. And then entry rules to get back in. There's no other day trading program like it. None. If there was, I would be trading it. I traded this yesterday, made $3,500 in about 9 minutes. Shared the trade in the room.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.